Number 21, lot F161, is a 1973 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck with a 5.7 drop kit, a 6-liter V8 engine, Stage 2 BTR cam, and an automatic transmission, and it sold for $34,650 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 3,114 miles. And the highlights are short bed, 5.7 drop kit, 6-liter LS V8 engine, Stage 2 BTR cam, 4L80 automatic transmission, orange and white exterior, custom plaid interior, vintage air, new vintage gauges, power windows, headers, 3-inch exhaust, power brakes, and conditions of sale, rebuilt brand on title. And I'm not sure what that cam was exactly, but it sure sounded good when it rumbled by. But this one gave you a resto mod with an LS engine and pretty much with the drop kit, pretty much ready to go, all for $34,650. I think this one would rank up there as one of the better buys of the sale. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.